How you doing, baby? Usually I like staying up and looking at the stars, but last night, out cold. Oh, it feels so good to get a good night's sleep. Buenos dias. You know, you don't have to move your hand when you brush your teeth if you just move your head. Watch. Gets you a little dizzy, but that's all right. Looking good, Mr. Bike. All right, I'm all packed up and ready to go. It takes a while to pack it all up and then filter water and eat a little bit of food and to film and all the other stuff. But I got it done pretty quickly today. Bye-bye, beautiful campsite. Woo! No crashies, no flatties, no whammies, no bear attackies. Actually, I should be saying no mosquito-ease. Oh, it's a beautiful day in the Montana neighborhood. Today is my niece Ellery's birthday. She's 2 years old. Happy birthday to Ellery! Can you tell that I'm excited to be on my bike? Well, I am. Where am I going today? I don't know. That way. Pedaling south to New Mexico. Viva New Mexico! Oh, and today is Thursday, and on Thursdays in my world, I wish everybody a happy Thursday. I actually got the Happy Thursday thing from a Winnie the Pooh book. I forget which one, but he was just wandering around the forest like Pooh does, wishing everybody a happy Thursday. And I thought, you know what? I like that. I like stopping and listening to the birds and checking out the flowers. My bike makes a lot of noise as I pedal. You know, the crunch of the gravel under my tires and all the bike bags squeaking. It's nice to stop and just take it in. You know what I just realized back there at the beginning of the day when I was talking about Happy Thursday? Well, it's not Thursday, it's Friday. Whoopsie! That's kind of how it goes out here when you're on an adventure. All the days blend together. But while we're at it, happy Friday. Have a great weekend. I'm just riding along and I see out of the corner of my eye something brown dart off the road, and my body just froze for a second. My heart started beating super fast and it felt like an electric shock through my body. And it's amazing what a millisecond of fear will do to the human body. It was just a deer, but still, it scared me. I was like, oh God, please don't be a bear. Whee! So I'm off that main dirt road now, and I'm on what looks like single track, and I know there's not much on this entire route. So I'm really gonna enjoy this. This is pretty cool. I'm seeing a lot of poop along the trail. And I don't know if it's bear poop or cow poop or anything else poop, maybe human poop. I need to really study up on my poop. I'm on heightened alert. I'm trying to be loud to scare away any would-be bear attacks. And you know what? I think, even though I'm not in a tunnel, ole, 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 go away bears, go away bears. There's more poop. Why is there so much poop on this trail? All right, so you're just gonna have to believe me on this one. Here I am riding along the road. I hear something running into the woods, pretty heavy, and I see this big fat brown bear butt running away. It was kind of exciting, and it was exciting because it was running away from me. I did not feel in danger for a second. It was probably 50 feet away, but I could definitely tell that it was a bear. I don't know if it was a grizzly or a black bear or a teddy bear, I don't know. But it was definitely a bear. So that was neat, at least I saw one. Don't need to see him any closer than that. I find myself now scanning to the left and to the right, looking into the woods to see if I can see anything. It's pretty thick out there, but every now and then there's an opening. And I hear some cracks and thumps, snapping branches every now and then. I'm like, oh, bear, deer, bunny rabbit, jackalope, chupacabra. Who knows? Whoever made this route, somebody at the Adventure Cycling Association, whoever that is, thank you. This is really well done. I know I'm only 3 days in, but what I've seen so far is very impressive. I can't imagine the time it would take to put this whole thing together from Banff, Canada to the border of Mexico. That's a lot of work, and I appreciate it. I've hit my first hike-a-bike. I'm on a pretty steep single track uphill right here. Oh, kind of nice to mix it up. Yeah, I love this. I haven't been climbing a ton today, at least it doesn't feel like it, but way off in the distance are some really big, beautiful mountains with snow all over them. And it was quite a surprise. This is the first clearing I've had. I've been stuck in the trees most of the day, and that view over there is quite stunning. And it's been cloudy all day, so I hope it doesn't rain, but that's always a possibility out here, isn't it? So back there when I said, oh, it doesn't feel like I've been climbing much today. Well, the climbing gods heard that and gave it to me. They slapped me upside the face and said, you're gonna climb. And that's what I've been doing for the past hour. I've gained like 2,000 feet of elevation. I'm up at 6,000 feet now. And yeah, I wasn't expecting this. I wasn't paying attention to what was in front of me, which is usually the best way to do these things, you know, because whatever's in front of you is what's in front of you. What's the use in knowing if you're going up or down? It just worries you probably. So yeah, here I am slowly climbing. Man, it's green here. I feel like I'm on the East Coast. Don't fall to the left. Right there. That would be bad. Look at all these Christmas trees. So that was a very enjoyable uphill. It wasn't too steep. You could just kind of slowly pedal and chug your way up. And now I have a single track downhill, which is like a dream come true. And it's beautiful and green, and life is good. I'm gonna put the camera down now before I crash. Ah! This is amazing! Wow, what a day with that surprise monster mountain right there at the end, but it feels so good. That single track coming down was incredible. And I think I found the perfect campsite. Nice flat area right there. There's a creek over there, and we have MIRA right here. Wait a second. MIRA? Am I hallucinating? What are you doing here, buddy? And we have John. What is going on?
How you doing?
Hi. So this is kind of crazy. 24 hours before I was flying to Montana, I get a text from John. He's like, hey, do you want some company on the ride? And I was like, yeah, what do you mean? Because since I last was hanging out with John in Lake Tahoe, he was riding up Oregon, was gonna ride home to Canada. And he's like, no, I'll rent a U-Haul and come over and meet you and we'll ride the divide. And I was like, let's do it.
Yeah, that's what we've done.
Why would you think that's a good idea? What you crazy?
I'm starting to wonder. We'll see, but it's been fun. So, yeah, I was planning to ride through Washington State, cross the border into Canada, go home, quarantine for 14 days, and that's the thing. And then I would be able to do some work after that. So, yeah, quarantine 14 days, no fun. I understand why they're doing it. I agree with it, but I don't want to do it yet. And I can still move around here in the U.S. and we're out in the countryside and we don't really see many people all day long, so why not?
Why not is right, and here we are. For those of you who don't know, I met John and MIRA in the middle of nowhere in Baja this January, and we rode together for 7 days, and it was incredible. And we've been in touch ever since, and now we've been talking about planning an adventure. Now we're doing it. Oh, and we have MIRA waiting for a stick. I got one for you. You ready? You ready? Oh, here we go. Bye. Oh, it's so good to see you, my man. We're gonna have a good adventure. We're gonna be like Huck Finn and Tom Sawyer and MIRA.
Oh, baby.
Look at that glistening in the sun.
Steamy, spicy goodness.
John brings a stove like most people. Ryan doesn't.
Most people drink coffee, right?
Yeah, that's really the big thing, huh?
Yeah, that is the big thing.
And you're still waiting for a stick. Don't you know it's dinner time, silly? And what do I have for dinner? Well, you're not going to be surprised. Spicy jalapeno frijoles. MIRA, I know this looks like dog food, but it's not for you. It's my beans. Yummy. Look at her lips. So funny. What in the world is in your burrito?
Oh, it's probably gonna make some people retch. So we got mustard flavored sardines.
Ooh.
We got ranch dressing.
That is a Canadian burrito if I've ever seen one.
Yeah.
Look at that. Interesting. Okay, MIRA, one last stick before bedtime. Ready? Go get it! So this is the home for two?
Yeah, well, 1.5 anyway.
That's right. And MIRA sleeps in there with you?
She does, yeah. She's good company. She usually just goes right to sleep and tucks up. But if it's a cold night, I'll wake up to find her snuggled right against me.
That's cool.
Take in some of the heat.
That's good for both of you.
Yeah.
I'm hiding from mosquitoes in my tent again. But what a day, awesome day, and so great to see John and Mira again. Tomorrow is gonna be fun.